Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to use the Hostinger domain search tool to find the perfect domain for your website. First, go to hostinger.com website, and if you want, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. Using my affiliate link, of course, will support this channel because I will get a commission if you buy something from Hostinger. I'm not sure if the domain counts, but no big deal. After arriving to this page, click on the domains from the top bar, and this is the Hostinger domain search tool. You have two ways to find your domain: by filling it or by entering it here in this field, or by using AI. Let's start with the standard or the old school way. Here, let's go with, for example, benstutorials.com. I'm sure that this domain name is registered. As you can see, benstutorials.com is already registered, and here they give you some alternative ideas. Let's look for another domain, for example, Ben's affiliate course.com. If I hit search, as you can see, when the domain is available, you can see it here. Domain is available. This is the price that you will pay today, price for just the first year. After that, this is the renewal price. Make it yours. Now you will start creating an account and adding a payment method, then registering this domain name. By the way, a year or 2 years ago, I've tried to register a domain name that have the word Hostinger in it, and the domain, even though I've paid for this domain name, they didn't give it to me because it has the a trademark which is Hostinger. So I recommend you to avoid trademarks, even if they are available, because this is a trademark. They can take it from you even if you own it. Now let's give the AI tool a try. For, as you can see, generate domain name using AI. Here you need to write a short description about your project. For example, non-profit organization that helps plant trees. Now I want to make a blog where I will share my experience with digital tools, webmastering tools. Click on generate, and let's see the domain name ideas. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is a very good domain, webmastering101.org. I can get this domain for $7.99 for the first year. Webmastertoolstips.net. This is another great name. Digitaltoolboxblog.net. The Webmaster Journey. This is a very good 3 words domain name for just $4 for the first year. Explore webmastering.com. not bad. Digitalwebmastering.net. My website experience, my webmaster experience. This is a very nice. If you like a domain name idea and you want to have the .com or to verify if it is available with the .com extension, just copy it like that. Go back to the standard tool, write it or paste it and add plus .com. Hit search. As you can see, the domain name was available with the .com extension. mywebmasterexperience.com. Make it yours and complete the deal. And this is how to use the Hostinger domain search tool to find the best or the perfect domain name for you. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and see you in the next one.